Hi, Edith Elzie here with eXp Realty and Elzie Associates. This message is for sellers, regardless of whether your property is currently on the market or you plan to put it on the market in the future. If you find yourself watching the weeks tick by without any buyers biting on your listing, please know that it's not just you. According to Zillow and other experts, in 2024, 1 out of every 3 sellers took their property off the market before it ultimately sold. And there are a number of reasons why this is happening. Here's what you should know. If your home is sitting and not selling. Even in today's market, there are major reasons that usually keep a house from selling. Overpricing being number one, then a lack of updates or repairs, and giving buyers limited access. While those are the primary reasons, though, I contend that there are a couple other significant reasons that properties don't sell. Unpleasant odors, lingering smells from pets, smoking, or even cooking can be a major turnoff for some buyers. Clutter or personal decor is another reason. Homes that are cluttered or have very personal decor can make it difficult for buyers to envision themselves living in the property. But luckily, these are easy fixes, and partnering with your trusted agent can make it all happen. And just because things aren't going according to plan doesn't mean you have to give up on your dream of selling your home. But most importantly, pay attention to the feedback you're getting from potential buyers and your agent, and where possible, correct those deficiencies, especially those you hear repeatedly. Just remember that each home and each market is unique, so it's often a combination of factors that affect the home's ability to sell. So thanks for listening, and bye-bye for now.